Hi, I'm Steve with the CaptionCall team. Today we're showing you how to set up your new CaptionCall phone. Using live captioning for your phone calls can completely transform the way you communicate and connect with others. And it all starts with installing your captioning phone. When you sign up for CaptionCall, you can choose between our red carpet service installation by one of our trainers. Also, we have an installation with live trainer support over the phone, email, or text. Or our self-installation with visual instructions if you or your loved one are comfortable with hooking up electronics. Each installation option is at no cost to you. In this video, we'll be focusing on our quick and easy self-installation option. Before installing your phone, there's a few things you'll need. In the room where you like to have your phone, make sure you have a power outlet. Also, you'll need to have an active landline with a nearby phone jack. You also want to make sure that you have high-speed internet. And along with the internet, you'll have a Wi-Fi password. If you can't find your Wi-Fi password, I would suggest looking on the side of your router to see if you can find it. If that's not the password, I would also suggest asking one of your family members to see if they know it. Let's look in the box. Here is what you should see in the CaptionCall box. Your main base to the phone with a large display, your handset, your leg support to the phone, the power supply, the 14-foot phone cord, and your pigtail phone cord. And finally, here's your new user guide. So I expect you to memorize this in 2 days. There will be a test. But if you look on every page, you will see our customer support number. Now it's time to set up the phone. If you look on the back of the phone, the first thing you'll do is set up your support leg to the back of the phone. Now, you'll take your handset and you'll set it right in the cradle. And when you look on the back of the phone, you'll see a little connection. You can plug in your phone cord, like so. Now, we'll take the phone cord and you'll plug in the phone cord in the back of the phone, right where it says phone. Once you plug in your phone cord to the back of the phone, you'll now plug in the other end of your phone cord to your phone jack in the wall. And finally, now it's time to plug in your power. And if you look on the back of the phone, there's another place right here where it says power. And finally, there is an option with an Ethernet cord. If you would like to plug your phone directly from here to your router, you can do that with the Ethernet. And if you look on the back of the phone, there's only one place to plug in your Ethernet cord. So the first screen you will see once your phone is booted up, it will show Welcome to Sorensen. That's your self-install wizard. And the first thing you'll do is select your language, tap on the Wi-Fi connection. Now look for your Wi-Fi. And this is where you'll enter your Wi-Fi password. Once you've entered the Wi-Fi password, tap on Save. Once you've entered your password, your phone will update. And then, once it's done, you'll now be ready to make your first phone call. Following your CaptionCall installation, we encourage you to call our test line to ensure your phone is properly captioning. Our customer care team is also available to help you with all your CaptionCall questions. Enjoy reconnecting with others, and thanks for watching.